Hello everyone, I'm Iwan, your guide through the fascinating world of fintech, representing none other than AiNiffler. A friendly reminder, if you enjoyed today's content, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and leave your thoughts in the comments. Your interaction helps us grow and reach more fintech enthusiasts like you. Now, you might be wondering what's so special about AiNiffler. We are not just a company, we are a group of international experts from places as diverse as France, Singapore, Taiwan and Hong Kong. We've joined forces to reinvent the digital asset management landscape, leveraging two of today's most groundbreaking technologies, AI and blockchain. The road to understand the modern financial technology landscape is rarely straightforward, but it's definitely exciting. Today, we are not selling you a product or services. No, we are offering something far more valuable. Knowledge. Knowledge about fintech, about AI, about blockchain, about how they are shaping our world. And through this, we aim to establish AiNiffler as a beacon of innovation and an authority you can trust. But don't worry, we are not about high-level jargon or complex terminologies. We are about creating a platform where every interested individual, from a newbie to an expert investor, feels welcome, valued and enlightened. So let's get started. In the beginning, finance and technology were two separate worlds. Banks, insurance companies, investment funds, they all followed a traditional route. On the other side, we had the tech industry continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible, but mostly detached from the financial sector. However, a few decades ago, a shift started to happen. Finance and technology began to converge, giving birth to a new industry altogether, fintech. And that's where AiNiffler fits in. Fintech or financial technology represent a technological innovation in financial services. These innovations aim to improve upon or automate the delivery and use of financial services. Now, this might sound broad, and it is. Fintech encompasses a variety of sectors and industries such as education, retail banking, investment management, and non-profits. It touches everything from payment and crowdfunding to cryptocurrency and blockchain. What's fascinating is how fintech has evolved over the years. In its early days, fintech was primarily used to automate insurance, trading, and risk management. The late 1990s brought us the first visible fintech innovations, things like PayPal or the early internet banking services. But in the last decade, fintech exploded into a myriad of new sectors and categories. Think about crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter, money management apps, or robo-advisor for automated investing. These are all examples of how far fintech has come. And the exciting part? We are just getting started. Consider this, the global fintech market was valued at about 127.66 billion in 2018. And it's expected to reach 309.98 billion at a growth rate of 24.8% through 2022. Incredible, isn't it? This massive growth of fintech has opened up opportunities for companies like AiNiffler to create and offer cutting-edge services. And while it's true that this industry can be a bit intimidating with its unique jargon and complex concepts, it's our job at AiNiffler to make it accessible and exciting for everyone. So we've talked about fintech, but there are two more pieces to this puzzle: AI or artificial intelligence and blockchain. Two technologies that are rapidly reshaping industries, including fintech. Let's start with AI. AI is a broad field of computer science aimed at simulating human intelligence in machines. From voice assistants like Siri to recommendation algorithm on Netflix, AI has permeated our daily life in ways we often don't realize. In the context of fintech, AI can revolutionize the way we handle money. It allows for automation and personalization at a scale previously unimaginable. For example, AI can help automate trading, detect fraudulent activities, or customize your banking experience based on your behavior. Next up is blockchain. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, and the technology that makes it possible is blockchain. In essence, a blockchain is a decentralized distributed ledger that records transactions across many computers. It offers unparalleled security and transparency, which is why it's so disruptive. Just think about it. With blockchain, we can have a public, unhackable record of all transactions ever made. It's a game changer for industries that rely on trust and record keeping like finance. And there you have it, fintech, AI, and blockchain. Three separate worlds converging, creating a landscape full of potential and innovation. And right in the midst of it, you will find AiNiffler. Of course, being part of such a dynamic industry is exciting, but it also comes with responsibility. At AiNiffler, we are acutely aware of our role. And that's why our mission is not just about staying on the cutting edge, but about steering the direction in which that edge moves. At AiNiffler, we firmly believe in customer centricity, professionalism, reliability, innovation, and breakthrough. These aren't just words to us. They are the pillars that define who we are and what we do. Our main goals: to provide our users with a safe, stable, and professional way to increase the value of their digital assets. How do we achieve this? By marrying AI and blockchain in ways that maximize efficiency, security, and potential for growth. We are proud of the work work we do and the products we've created. But we understand that in this industry there is no resting on laurels, so we continually strive to learn, improve and innovate. Now you may be asking, what does all this mean for me? That's a valid question. The thing about innovation, especially in fintech, is that it's not just about company or markets. It's about people, about you. How you interact with your money, how you save, spend, invest, donate. All these can be influenced by fintech. And with the right knowledge and tools, you can turn this influence into opportunities. For instance, think about how you make payments. Today, you don't necessarily need a physical card or cash. A simple tap with your phone or even your watch and you've paid for your coffee. That's fintech. Or consider robo-advisors that help automate your investments, optimizing returns based on your personal risk tolerance. That's fintech too. The possibilities are virtually endless. And that's what makes this field so exciting. It offers countless possibilities to make our financial lives easier, more efficient, and potentially more profitable. And that's what AiNiffler is all about. As a pioneer in combining AI and blockchain for digital asset management, AiNiffler aims to bring these opportunities right to your doorstep. We are here to provide you with a safe, stable, and professional way to increase the value of your digital assets. We understand that the world of digital asset management can seem daunting. Volatility, security, and complexity are just a few of the challenges that users face. And we believe that it's our role, our responsibility to help navigate these challenges. That's why we've built a range of products and services designed to simplify, secure, and optimize your digital assets management. And as we continue to grow and learn, we are constantly redefining and expanding our offerings. But more than our products and services, what truly sets AiNiffler apart, it's our commitment to our users. Everything we do, every innovation we pursue, every partnership we forge, it's all guided by our core values. Customer centricity, professionalism, reliability, innovation, and breakthrough. In a nutshell, AiNiffler is more than just a fintech company. We are a community that welcomes anyone interested in learning, growing, and exploring the fascinating world of fintech. Now, if you're still with me, I want to say thank you. Your interest and support mean the world to us at AiNiffler. You're the reason we strive to innovate and make a difference in the fintech landscape. And because you're so important to us, I want to make this a conversation. I do love to hear your thoughts and questions. What excites you about fintech? What are your concerns? How do you see AI and blockchain shaping your financial life? Please let us know in the comment section below. And if you're finding value in this video, it will mean a lot if you could hit that like button and share it with your friends, colleagues, anyone who might be interested. Let's grow this community together. As we move forward, our goal at AiNiffler remains the same: to provide you with a safe, stable, and professional way to increase the value of your digital assets. We will continue to innovate, learn, and adapt. We will continue to marry AI and blockchain in ways that make a difference. And as we do that, we will need your feedback and support. Your perspective is valuable. After all, you are the reason we do what we do. So feel free to reach out to us anytime, be it with questions, feedback, or even just a hello. We are here and we are listening. Looking ahead, we are excited about what's to come. There are new developments on the horizon, new partnerships, and of course, new ways to serve you better. We hope you will join us on this journey. Before we wrap up, I just want to express on behalf of the entire AiNiffler team our gratitude. We are grateful for your time, your interest, and your trust. We know that in the world of fintech, trust is paramount, and we are committed to earning and keeping yours. We hope that this video has given you a better understanding of fintech, AI, blockchain, and AiNiffler's role in this landscape. But more importantly, we hope that this has sparked your curiosity and interest. Fintech is a fascinating field, and we can't wait to explore it further with you. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. There is plenty more content on the way, and we promise it will be worth your while. And don't forget to leave us a comment. We are eager to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future of finance is here and it's exciting. Let's explore it together. As we end today's conversation, I would like to leave you with a call to action. Take what you've learned today and let it inspire you to delve deeper. The fintech world is a vast one, ripe with opportunities, and it's waiting for you to explore. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to make the most of fintech. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to learn. And that's what our community at AiNiffler is for. We are here to learn together, grow together, and shape the future of finance together. If this resonates with you, we invite you to join us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, engage with us and the community. Together, we can navigate this exciting world of fintech, AI, and blockchain. Once again, thank you for spending this time with me. Your support fuels our work at AiNiffler, and for that, we are deeply grateful. I hope you found our discussion today enlightening and that it sparked a new or renewed interest in fintech. Until we meet again, stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged. Here is to exploring the future of finance together. See you soon.